Grab your phone, scroll through photos, see that 2019 screenshot, those 47 identical sunsets. Your device is drowning in digital chaos. Traditional cleanup takes days, but AI, it does it in 30 minutes. This is digital surgery, and artificial intelligence is your scalpel. Artificial intelligence doesn't just organize files, it understands them. Google's AI distinguishes treasured memories from accidental screenshots. Machine learning analyzes photo quality, email importance, and usage patterns at superhuman speed, seeing categorizable data where humans see chaos. The breakthrough is that AI evolves from tool to digital intelligence agent. These systems learn preferences, predict importance, and execute cleanup with surgical precision. Traditional decluttering demanded manual decisions for every file. AI decluttering requires strategic direction while handling thousands of micro-decisions automatically. This intelligence becomes your weapon in a systematic 30-minute digital transformation. 6 precision strikes execute in sequence. Photo purge dominates the opening 8 minutes, followed by email excavation through minute 14. Download desert clearing consumes minutes 15 to 19, while browser tab taming strikes minutes 20 to 23. App audit executes minutes 24 to 27, with future-proofing, sealing victory in the final minutes. Your timer starts now. Google Photos deploys computer vision algorithms that scan every pixel, analyzing composition, blur detection, and duplicate recognition. The AI evaluates photographic merit, identifying which of those 47 sunset photos deserve survival, while condemning the rest to digital oblivion. Machine learning models trained on millions of images instantly categorize content. Screenshots get flagged for deletion, blurry accidents marked for removal. Duplicate detection goes beyond identical files. The AI recognizes near duplicates, where slight timing differences created multiple versions of the same moment. Gemini Photos elevates this intelligence with quality scoring algorithms that rate technical merit like composition, lighting, focus, and emotional resonance. When 5 versions exist, artificial intelligence selects the optimal shot and eliminates inferior alternatives. Professional curation happens automatically. Photos? Done. Now let's dig your inbox out of its digital grave. Gmail's artificial intelligence operates as a digital email archaeologist, automatically excavating promotional debris from genuine communication. Machine learning algorithms, trained on billions of emails, instantly recognize marketing patterns, subscription traps, and conversation dead ends. The AI doesn't just sort by sender, it analyzes email content, engagement history, and behavioral patterns to predict what actually deserves human attention. Natural language processing scans email content at superhuman speeds. Promotional language gets flagged instantly, while subscription emails get quarantined automatically. It also recognizes conversation threads that died months ago and marks them for elimination. Pattern recognition identifies emails that get opened versus emails that get ignored, learning personal communication preferences with each interaction. Advanced AI email management goes beyond basic filtering. Unroll.me deploys machine learning to scan entire inboxes, building comprehensive subscription maps. The AI identifies every recurring sender, analyzes engagement rates, and presents mass unsubscription options. Artificial intelligence becomes a personal email bouncer, rejecting unwanted senders before they reach the inbox. Clean Email uses predictive algorithms to establish retention rules. Emails older than specified timeframes get automatically analyzed for importance. The AI considers factors like sender frequency, content type, and interaction history before making deletion decisions. Email archaeology becomes automated, so it excavates digital communication history and preserves only valuable discoveries. Smart filtering systems learn personal email patterns over time. The AI adapts to individual communication styles, automatically routing important messages while blocking digital noise. Email management transforms from reactive cleanup to proactive intelligence that maintains inbox clarity automatically. With your inbox under control, it's time to tackle the silent clutter filling your drives. Hazel and FileJuggler deploy machine learning algorithms that analyze file behavior patterns with forensic precision. These AI systems don't just organize files, they understand their entire lifecycle. For example, installation files can be automatically deleted after software deployment, while temporary downloads are removed once they've served their purpose. Over time, the AI learns which file types usually require permanent storage and which are only temporary staging. In addition, artificial intelligence analyzes file metadata, content, and access patterns simultaneously. Factors such as document age, file size, and interaction frequency combine to create comprehensive profiles. From there, the AI predicts which files are unlikely to be accessed again and marks them for automated deletion. Through the pattern recognition, it can even identify file hoarding behavior and intervene before the problem grows. Cloud AI integration takes this further by creating intelligent file ecosystems. Uploaded files are automatically tagged using content analysis, while machine learning algorithms categorize documents by topic, importance, and their relationship to other files. Search functionality then becomes semantic rather than literal, letting you find files by concept rather than exact file name. Finally, automated retention policies use predictive algorithms to establish file lifespans. The AI considers file type, content value, and access frequency when setting expiration dates, turning file management into a proactive process rather than reactive cleanup. Over time, digital filing systems effectively maintain themselves through continuous AI optimization. With your files in order, the next battleground is your browser, a place where hundreds of open tabs can drain both focus and performance. OneTab's machine learning algorithms analyze browser behavior patterns to distinguish between research-worthy content and digital impulse consumption. The AI tracks tab interaction frequency, dwell time, and revisit patterns. Tabs opened and forgotten get identified for closure, while genuinely valuable research gets preserved intelligently. Pattern recognition separates intentional browsing from habitual tab accumulation, whereas Raindrop.io deploys natural language processing to transform bookmark collections into intelligent research databases. The AI automatically extracts key concepts from bookmarked content, generates relevant tags, and creates semantic relationships between saved resources. Content becomes discoverable through conceptual search rather than remembering specific titles or URLs. Artificial intelligence content summarization eliminates the need for dozens of open read later tabs. Matter's AI algorithms analyze article content, extract key insights, and provide intelligent summaries with estimated reading times. Priority algorithms surface content based on reading history and interest patterns. The AI curates personal reading cues more effectively than human impulse bookmarking. Smart tab management systems learn individual browsing habits and automatically optimize browser performance. Machine learning identifies which tabs contribute to productive work versus those that create digital distraction. Browser AI becomes a personal productivity assistant that maintains focus while eliminating digital noise. And automated bookmark organization uses content analysis to create intelligent filing systems that transform random link collections into semantically organized knowledge repositories. With your browser tamed, it's time to turn inward to the apps living on your devices, many of which quietly drain your time, storage, and even money. Built-in smartphone AI analytics now create comprehensive application behavior profiles by using advanced usage tracking algorithms. These systems monitor app launch frequency, session duration, and engagement patterns, allowing them to distinguish between essential applications and digital dead weight. In many cases, machine learning models identify apps downloaded with the best of intentions, such as meditation tools, language learning programs, or productivity platforms that ultimately became little more than digital shelf decorations. Furthermore, artificial intelligence usage analysis reveals the stark gap between perceived necessity and actual behavior. For example, screen time and digital well-being AI systems track every interaction, creating data-driven insights about which applications genuinely contribute to productivity versus those that merely generate digital noise. Through pattern recognition, algorithms can detect apps that are opened accidentally or purely out of habit, in contrast to those that serve meaningful purposes. In addition, smart app organization systems use AI to automatically arrange home screens based on usage intelligence. Most accepted applications surface prominently, while rarely used ones gradually fade into background visibility. Over time, Launcher AI adapts the interface layout to reflect actual behavior patterns rather than the random order in which apps were installed. As a result, home screens evolve into personalized productivity dashboards optimized for each individual's habits. Even financial waste gets addressed, as subscription intelligence services like Rocket Money deploy AI bank statement analysis to identify recurring charges from forgotten applications. Here, machine learning algorithms scan financial records, correlating charges with installed apps, and often revealing a hidden subscription bleed that drains budgets invisibly. In this way, AI becomes a financial detective, uncovering overlooked commitments and enabling informed cancellation decisions. Finally, automated app maintenance uses predictive algorithms to establish retention policies, regularly flagging unused applications for deletion based on individual usage patterns. With your apps decluttered and your budget safeguarded, the last step is to ensure your entire digital ecosystem stays clean with constant manual intervention. Automated AI maintenance systems now create self-sustaining digital hygiene processes that operate independently of human oversight. By establishing intelligent retention policies that adapt to your personal usage patterns over time, these systems not only clear current messes, but also predict and prevent future accumulation through advanced digital behavior analysis. For example, smart deletion rules use AI pattern recognition to identify files destined for abandonment. Downloads older than 30 days are automatically analyzed for importance using both content analysis and access frequency before elimination. As a result, the AI can distinguish between temporary files and permanent resources, making intelligent preservation decisions without you ever needing to intervene. This extends to communication as well, with advanced email AI filtering systems analyzing incoming messages using natural language processing rather than relying on basic sender identification. Machine learning models trained on your unique email behavior categorize, prioritize, and delete messages based on content intelligence. Over time, the AI adapts to your individual communication patterns, proactively maintaining inbox clarity without you lifting a finger. Photo management also benefits from maintenance intelligence. Images get intelligently archived to cloud storage after local processing, and machine learning determines which photos deserve to stay local based on factors like sharing frequencies, favorites, and content quality. This way, storage remains optimized without sacrificing access to what matters most. Finally, predictive maintenance scheduling uses AI to determine optimal cleanup intervals. Calendar-based AI systems can automatically schedule digital hygiene sessions, complete with pre-populated checklists tailored to your accumulation patterns. By learning how quickly clutter builds for each user, the system ensures cleanups happen at the right time, transforming digital organization from reactive crisis management into proactive ongoing intelligence that sustains optimal performance effortlessly. In just 30 minutes, AI turns digital chaos into clarity. Messy photo galleries become curated collections, overflowing inboxes transform into streamlined hubs, and cluttered download folders turn into organized archives. The result? Faster devices, clearer thinking, and complete digital freedom. So, which AI tool surprised you most? Comment below, like and share this with someone who's drowning in digital clutter, and help them breathe again.